1, 2, 3.
Gusto ko na mag-after party.
Gusto ko na mag-after.
Boogum now, baby, your cast new spell on me. I say boogum, boogum, boogum.
Oh. Wala ako rin tulong kayo nito. Sabi namin, walang game. Sino naka-duty dito mamaya? Charot. Ako. I'll make up for it later.
You're out of sight. And you wear that cute mini skirt with your brother's sloppy shirt. Admit it, I can't dig it.
Wow!
Boogum now, baby, your cast new spell on me. You got me doing funny things.
Kasama ko si Nico nung cute pa siya. Dahil isa po ako sa facilitators ng kanilang FR dati, no? Kaya I'm happy na malaki na si Nico.
Would you believe, little girl, that I'm crazy about you?
Short, sabi niyo kasi short message. Short nga, masunurin.
Sabi ko, mahal na mahal kita.
Thanks mom, thanks dad. Charot, joke.
I'm happy for you na na-meet mo si Annette. Tapos masaya ko siya sa isa. Tapos eventually, hihirap ang buhay. Alam mo naman yan. Pero wag mong hayaan yung pressure ng life na mag-fall apart kayo. Dapat mas mag-push niya kayo closer.
Yeah. Ganda yan pag may background music.
Alright, when you wear those big earrings.
Tingin mo, matutuwa si sir.
Sana.
Hi! Hello! Akala ko wala ka dito. Kasama ko po, guys. Hindi pa, i-register lang po, pero ganda.
Not casting your spell on me. Oh, I say, sugar-caboose, sugar-caboose, not casting your spell on me. I say, sugar-caboose,
Parang ngayon, hindi ko pa siya fully ma-feel. Hindi pa nagsisink in sa akin na ikakasal na ako kasi feeling ko nasa pictorial lang ako ngayon. Wow. Tapos siguro baka mamaya mag-hit na sa akin pagdating sa church kasi makikita ko na siya finally pagdating sa church. So, baka dun sa akin mag-hit later na ikakasal na ako.
In this moment, I say, yeah,
May mga bagay na sana kahit mahirap maintindihan in the future, choose to say yes. Have faith that God will journey with you even in this moment. You will not always know your next step, but God will always be beside
so I tell you a million tiny things that you have never known. It all gets tangled up inside.
Hey, baka naman may papayo ka sa
Ayaw ba? Wala naman ako sasabihin hindi mo na alam. Just do your part, bro.
Si Annette kasi, siya na yung pinaka nahanap ko na matagal na kumbaga na paano ba di-describe? She's the one, kumbaga. Parang ganun.
How lucky I am to be the one who gets to grow old with you, witnessing every milestone and every chapter of the person I love the most. I love you so much, Babu Babu ko. I am yours now and always. My love for you is everlasting. I am very proud to call you Mrs. Antoinette Avenido Pena.
믿기지 않는 기적 같은 놀라운 순간
Often, people would say how lucky you are to have me, when in reality, I am the lucky one. How blessed am I to have a patient man in my life. How blessed am I to have a supportive partner that cheers me on. How blessed am I to have a caring partner that knows all my needs before I do. How blessed am I that a wonderful man loves me and is also my best friend. And how blessed am I to have found you in this universe. And in every universe, no matter the timeline, no matter how many lifetimes it takes, I'll always find you. I'll always find my way back to you.
Tell you a million tiny things that you have never known. It all gets tangled up inside.
And the more you discover, the more mo siya mamahalin. At pag minsan yung madi-discover mo, good things. Pag minsan hindi. Pero package deal ito. Hindi pwedeng mamili. Lahat-lahat about her, lahat-lahat about him. You need to accept and you need to live with them.
It all gets tangled up inside. Tell you a million little reasons falling for your eyes. I just want to be where you